you're Asian. What's 300 plus 50? Exactly, you got it. 400. What is good, guys? It's Leon from Sneaker Clinic. Don't steal our awesome, innovative shoe mic idea. Yes, it's clipped on to my 7210s. We're gonna do a sneaker unboxing today. No, we're not, dum-dums. Let me carefully, we're actually gonna do a tutorial. Reshoevn8r Sole Shields. Check this out. Whatever. Woo! Dang, look at this. This is the actual 2020 350 V2 black, red, Breds, whatever, Yeezys. Woo! I can't believe that my customer told me that he just clicked online, no raffle needed, and he got his size, and his buddy actually did the same thing. Just admire the shoes. By the way, this is size 12. I am definitely going to wear this off camera. Oh crap, it's uncut video. Yeah, contents. Alright, don't know if you guys can read that, but this comes with 2 sole shields. It doesn't come with scissors, so you're gonna need a pair of sharp scissors. You're gonna need a pen or marker. Well, heat gun, check. Flat surface. No lie, flat freaking surface. Let's open this. Nice. 2 cleaning pads. Here's the 4 traction pads and the 2 cleaning pads, alcohol prep pads by Meccasin. Hold on a second. I know you guys are like, I want to take a look at the breads. So there you go, right over my Jordan 12 box. So we're only gonna need 1. I'm gonna put this over there. Make sure that you inspect everything before you get started. Shiny, glossy surface always goes face down. Okay. I'm gonna put this on my not so stable glass freaking table. Is it clean? Who cares? It's flat. In this case, it's clean. It's a brand new pair of shoe, but I'm still gonna use the included alcohol prep pad just to quickly wipe it over. Reshoevn8r Sole Shields. I'm gonna start doing this. Make sure you keep up. Oh, I almost lost my voice. Make sure you keep up because I am not gonna slow down. Oh, don't do that. Oh my god. A lot of people are wondering, like, hey, Reshoevn8r Sole Shields, how long do they last? They actually say or claim that they last for about 20,000 steps. So if you have a app that calculates, you know, how many steps you take per day, you can actually calculate this. Just make sure you don't wear it when it's heavy raining, snowing. Duh, it's only meant for light walking. And if you're a hype beast, you're a collector, you're gonna definitely need this. Oh, what the F? After you're done wiping, make sure it's dry. So I'm just gonna set it aside for a bit. Make sure that your pen actually works. How do you test it? Well, I'm gonna just quickly draw on my... Yeah, it's working. Glossy side face down on the flat surface. All right, is it dry yet? Make sure you do what I do. Now I'm gonna actually place this right smack in the middle. So what you're gonna have to do now is just trace the entire shoe on the sole shields, and let's get started. Here we go. By the way, I don't think I have another set of Reshoevn8r at work. Ooh, this is a big freaking shoe. So I cannot screw up, because if I screw up, I'm done. I'm gonna have to close my business. I'm just gonna have to run away with the shoes, and if the customer tries to find me, good luck. They don't know where to find me. I traced the outsole right in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, this you're gonna have to be careful. Don't mess up. If you mess up, or if you end up cutting right through the middle, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're gonna enjoy it. It's a little different. I do my delivery a little bit different. I add comedy. So enough of this crap. let's just start cutting this. Now, you do not have to follow the bubble, all right, pen mark. Just basically cut right in the middle. Some people like to cut outside of the entire outline. That's fine. That's just gonna allow you to wrap up even higher. If you decide to cut inside the line, that's okay too. It's gonna look cleaner when you're done, but I prefer to do it where the edges have a little bit of Sole Shields protection. So let's go ahead and cut. And I'm gonna show you what I mean by cutting through the middle. Check this out. What should I talk about? Wait, let me hold my breath. This is exciting. No, I'm nervous. Yeah, I need a haircut. Yeah, we know about that. Yeah, I need to shave my chin. Yeah, we know about that. We can see it. All right, I'm cutting around Kanye West's ass. Yes, I said ass. Check this out. You guys can't really see, but you see the bubbly lines there. I'm cutting right through the middle. I'm not even going around the freaking thing now. Woohoo! Just celebrate. Make sure you match. Okay, don't. Frick. All right, I'm going to hold the shoe like so. Make sure there's no stupid Asian hair on it, no lint whatsoever. Let's peel this film. Oh man. Okay, 5 minutes later. Oh my god. You know what? Don't blame me. Blame frickin' Reshoevn8r. Don't even blame my nails right now. I have nails. Okay, 1 hour later. Ooh, I got it. Alright. You need patience for this kind of work, I'm telling you. This is why I tell my customers, like, no, I can't just install the Sole Shields at work while you're waiting for me. Okay, even though it should not take that long. Because peeling of the film takes the most time. Okay. Roll it on. Oh, come on. You know what? Just place it on. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna insert my finger into the shoe. Hello. Check this out. Just, you know, use your hands and start flattening it from the middle and outwards. Alright? Just do what I do. You're gonna be successful. This looks like it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna need a freaking microfiber cloth, which I do not have. That's what. You know what? Wait a second. What the frick? Give me this. Scissors, pen, heat gun, flat surface. Check out YouTube/Reshoevn8r for tutorials. They never mentioned about a freaking cloth. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this without a cloth. If I burn myself, it's not my fault. Now make sure you are getting rid of as much air freaking pockets as possible. Alright? Just start getting this adhesive thing stuck on the damn Kanye West's feet. Oh my god, everything's still working? Thank goodness. Cool. It's not a blow dryer, okay? Milwaukee, set to low. I'm gonna let this warm up for a bit. Yeah. Okay, Kanye. Just balance for me. Good. Alright. No, don't do that. Blow dryer won't work. Why? Because it does not reach that heat level. Okay? The temperature. You're gonna need to have it actually quite hot. Otherwise, it's not gonna soften up this 3M special film. Alright, it's good to go. I'm gonna start on the ass. Just target that section. And I'm gonna show you real quickly how this magic works. That's why you're gonna need a cloth, because you're gonna use your delicate fingers to touch the film and press it onto the soles. And believe you not, it's gonna get hot. Believe you not, it's gonna get hot. Believe you not, it's gonna get hot. trying to make sure it's soft enough so it can mold all around Kanye West's rippling buttocks. Okay, cool. All right, let me turn this off. Woo! See that? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna work my way from the heel to the toe, middle, and then push out, and then roll it up. All right, section by section. Be patient. Do it slow. This is not a race. If you do it too fast, you're gonna have to do it again, because I guarantee you, you're gonna have air bubbles. You don't want that. All right, let's actually, you know what? I'm a little hungry. Let me take a break. That is cheap. Yeah, this my mic fell on the ground once and the plastic clip just broke. Cheap. Oh yeah. Reshoevn8r Sole Shields activated on Kanye West's BLACK. No, I meant the outsole's black. Black feet. Yeah, it's all good. Just gotta touch up some of the edges just to make sure that, you know, it's covering up the entire outsole. I don't want any gaps. If you can do better than me, that is good. I'm not gonna hire you because honestly, I don't really care about sole shields. Like, just, oh wow, oh, that's actually really tough. Just wear the freaking shoe, right? Just wear your shoe. That's it. That's the tutorial. How do you celebrate? By just walking away. Do the other side. Don't forget. Don't burn yourself. And definitely, where's the... Make sure you get a cloth. Just put this back, because I prefer this instead. YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Enough of this. Wasting my electricity. My bill's gonna go up. You know what? Might as well just not do the other side. Customer service. Put it back. Box. Oh, by the way, traction pads. I don't need to really show you. You know what? I have to show you guys. The pill's crap. Just, I don't know. 4-foot area. Needs some grip. Grab the other traction pad. Yeah, I think the butt needs a little bit of grip. Yeah, let's put it right there. There you go. Give it to the customer. Let him do the rest. Yeah, just give him everything. You know, this is, I'm not in the mood to do this. This is, if it doesn't have a heat gun, that is just too bad. Yeah, I'm good. No, scissors, I keep the scissors. Screw this. This is the left side of the Bred's Yeezys with the Sole Shields. A little bit closer. There you go. It's actually quite poorly done, to be honest with you, because the right side, check that out. Look at that. So much better. I don't know if you guys can see. Check out the butt shot right here. See that butt shot there? It's all stuck onto the rubber nicely. This one, look at this. You can see little air pockets there. So I'm just gonna heat it up again and make sure I use the cloth. Oh, I'm gonna have to peel this off, I think. I didn't do it.